Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Runway Green Screen in 2026. So, if you want to remove backgrounds from videos without using a traditional green screen setup, Runway's AI-powered green screen tool can make the process much easier. First, sign in to your Runway account and open your dashboard. Once you're logged in, create a new project and upload the video you want to edit. Next, wait for the video to finish processing, then locate the green screen tool in the available AI editing features. Depending on the current interface, it may appear in the Tools panel or Video Editing section. Preview the edited footage and watch the entire clip to ensure the subject remains properly separated throughout the video. If any sections need adjustment, return to the masking tools and make additional refinements before exporting. Once you're satisfied with the result, open the export settings and select the quality options that best fit your project. Finally, export the finished video and save it to your device for use in presentations, social media content, marketing videos, or creative projects. And that's it. That's how to use Runway Green Screen in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.